Friends, Assalamualaikum and welcome back to our channel Films English. I am Laboyo speaking in from Chofim. Now I want to perform about conjugation of verb. Present form, past participle, present participle, yes by yes with the present form. So let's get started. Answer, उत्तर देवा. Answer. Ask, জিজ্ঞাসা করা. Asking, ask. Call, ডাকা. Calling. Add, যোগ করা. Added. Enter, প্রবেশ করা. Enter. Allow, অনুমোদন দেওয়া. Allow. Voice, সিদ্ধ করা. Voice. Look, টাকা দাও. Looking. Play, খেলা করা. Play. Call, টাকা. Calling. Hear, শোনা. Hearing. Hearing. Do, করা. Doing. Talk, কথা বলা. Talking. Sell, বিক্রয় করা. Sell. Song, গান গাওয়া. Song. Cook, ডাকা. Cooking. Eat, খাওয়া. Eating. Celebrate, উদযাপন করা. Celebrate. That's all my information. Stay with me for the next video.